It is so hot today, guys. So hot. I can imagine my car out there. It is scorching. I have to go out. I left the windows down so the air can go through, but I know it's still hot. We're having a wicked hot day today, guys. It's not a nice day to be at work in this heat. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you're new. Support the channel, guys. Let me grab my shoes. I was enjoying watching the games, guys. Didn't want to go out. Hey, but I gotta go. Face that heat out there. Oh, yeah. That's my phone. It is so hot, guys. Drink some water before I go out. I hope you're having a great weekend. Oh, my grass is dried up. So the grass is burnt. That's to tell you how hot it is. Didn't even come out to water my plants. But I'll do that in the morning when I get home. Face this hot day. Oh man. It's hot in here. Ooh. I gotta let this car heat up for a bit. Cool down for a bit. So freaking hot in here, guys. So hot. I need to make a couple stops. Buy me some dinner before I go into work, because once I go in there, I'm not coming back out. Grab me some dinner, pick up something at the pharmacy, then head on out. See how hot it is. Can't even see. Oh, the glare, I can't even see it. But I think it's in the 90s. It's really hot. Guys, if you're new, follow the channel, guys. Watch the video, guys. Watch it to the end. Watch the ads, guys. And help me to build this channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It's a hot day. Let me get going. down a little bit. Okay guys, let me hit the road. Guys, I have like 30 minutes to get to work. After I do my stopping, should get there on time. This drive's so crazy. I hope you're having a great weekend. Who else watching the soccer game? If you like the soccer, comment below. Let me know. I'm a soccer fan. Actually, I'm a sport fan. I'm watching the NBA finals and I'm watching the World Cup. I spent all morning watching the games, guys. When I get a break at work, I'll be watching the games again. Something exciting to do. Come on guys, let's go. Sleeping at the light. A perfect day for the beach. If I was in the Caribbean, I'll be at the beach. It's so hot. Sitting somewhere under a nice tree. And enjoying the beach. So many traffic lights. The lights delay time. Too many lights. But I have to get to the pharmacy. So. Guys, I just got my stuff at the pharmacy here. Sitting under the tree and it is so cool that I don't want to move. Let me go get going, guys. Don't forget to follow the channel, guys. Subscribe. Now I have to go pick up my dinner. Told you I'm so much red lights. My goodness. Seems like I'll never get there. I don't have a long wait here. Guys, I finally got to work. Running a little late, but like 7 minutes late. But I had so many stops. But it's alright. Go in there and turn up that AC. Get some nice cool air. At least we got good AC at work, guys. So be cool long in a short while. There goes my Saturday. Should have been out doing something really nice. And I have to come into work. That tail is killing me. And the elevator is hot, guys. Oh my god. Okay guys, I am finally here. Oh, I got my little dinner here. Got some fruit for my snack. A little sweet, just a little bit. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please remember to give the video a like, share, subscribe guys. See you on another one. Thanks for watching.